All right, in this video we're going to troubleshoot your AirPods, and it doesn't matter what version you have. You have the Pro or the older generation or the Max, whatever you have. The firmware is not being updated or it's stuck, all right? And this can happen quite frequently, all right? So the first thing I want you to do is connect your AirPods to your iPhone, connect it, open settings, go to Bluetooth, and then find your AirPods and tap the I button, the little I icon, and then scroll down to version and compare the version shown with the latest firmware available for your AirPods model. Okay, so just verify it. All right, number two, make sure your iPhone is updated. So in your iPhone, go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and install any available iOS update. Older iOS versions can prevent AirPods firmware updates from installing. Okay, that might be what you're running into. Number three, charge everything before updating. So for the update to install, put both AirPods inside the charging case, connect the charging case to a charger, a USB-C, and then make sure the AirPods have enough battery and keep your iPhone nearby. All right. A good setup is AirPods inside the case plugged into the power, iPhone connected to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth turned on, so make sure the Bluetooth is turned on, iPhone close to the AirPods. Leave them alone for about 30 minutes to an hour. I would do an hour. All right, after you do that, see if you're able to update it. Number four, turn Bluetooth off and back on. And as a matter of fact, you can actually toggle it. So you can actually turn it on and turn it back off several times. On settings, tap Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth off, wait about 10 seconds, turn Bluetooth back on. Reconnect your AirPods and see if that will work. All right. Number five is just simply restarting your iPhone. Hold down the power button on the volume, slide it down for 30 seconds, and then restart it. Six, forget and reconnect your iPods. So that's simple to do. Go to settings in your iPhone, tap Bluetooth, tap on the I next to your AirPods, tap forget this device, confirm, put your AirPods back into pairing mode, right? Click on the little button here on the back, and then open them up. That's in pairing mode. Turn that back on to where this is blinking, for this white light's blinking. All right, and then try that. And then next, reset your AirPods. So if the firmware still will not update, put both AirPods in the charging case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, open the lid back up, and then on your iPhone, go to settings, Bluetooth, AirPods, forget this device like we did before, press and hold the button on the back for 15 seconds, and don't let go until you see like an amber, then white. So I'm going to hold that button on the back for 15 seconds and pair them again with your iPhone. All right. And then number eight, try a different charging method. If the update remains stuck, use a different lighting or USB-C cable. So yeah, if you're using a USB-C, use a completely different cord, or instead of plugging it up to a MacBook or a laptop or whatever, plug it directly into your USB directly into the wall outlet. All right, and try that. Leave them overnight charging to the wall. Sometimes AirPods firmware updates install when the devices are idle. Leave AirPods in the case. All right. Let me know which method worked for you.